Hello everyone, welcome to Lulu's Home Kitchen. Today I want to dive into the world of culinary creativity, where East meets West. Join me as I embark on an exciting journey of experimentation and share with you my latest culinary creation. This is Unique Dish, when East meets West, where German egg noodles take center stage in delightful Chinese-style stir-fry extravaganza. Very simple few ingredients we need: 8 button mushrooms, half onion, 3 to 4 green parts of scallions, and half carrot. I'll also use 3 to 4 strips of bacon to give more flavor, and I have leftover ground pork, about 1 cup. I'm going to use it as well. And this is my favorite brand of German egg noodles, which I linked in the description. I often use these noodles to make chicken noodle soup. The quality of the noodles simply is the best. Personally, I like to remove a stem of the mushroom, but the stem is edible, so it's optional. I'll slice up a mushroom to medium slices, and then we'll place sliced mushroom into a dry pan without oil over medium heat. This step is to cook off the moisture of the mushroom. Be sure to keep a watchful eye and stir occasionally. While mushroom is in the pan slowly cooking off the moisture, I'll slicing up the carrot, green part of scallions, and also onions. After a couple minutes, notice the moisture starting to evaporate and the mushrooms shrinking slightly in size. This process helps concentrate their flavors and develop a beautiful golden brown color. Next, I'm going to add a sliced bacon into the pan to cook until 80% crispy. And the oil come out from a bacon is only oil I will use to make this dish. Once bacon cooked 80% crispy, push bacon to the side of the pan, then add in onion, carrots, and stir fry for a couple minutes until softened. I have some leftover roasted garlic and cherry tomato in olive oil that I will want to use in this dish as well, so I'm going to add it in. But this is total optional. If you don't have it, it's okay without it, because the bacon, onion, carrot, mushroom already provide so much flavor for this dish. I also have about 1 cup stir-fried ground pork left over that I'm going to add into this dish today. Again, this is optional. You may also use sausages to create this dish as well. After that, we're gonna add in the mushrooms. We'll combine all ingredients together, stir fry about 2 to 3 minutes, then add salt and pepper to taste. Stir fry again for about 2 minutes, then cover with the lid, remove from heat, set on the side. The remaining heat from the pan will continue to cook through meat and vegetables and deepen the flavor. At the same time, we can start boiling egg noodles. Bring water to boil, add a pinch of salt, then add about 2 cups of egg noodles in. Over medium heat, boil noodles about 80% dente. When you break noodles, you may still see slight white in between the noodles. And then remove from heat. Bring saucepan back on the heat. Now we're going to add egg noodles in. Well, combine noodles and meat, vegetables all together. Stir fry about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 to 4 tablespoons of egg noodles water in between while stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. And in the end, add in green part of scallions. Well, incorporate scallions with the noodles and other ingredients together for about 2 minutes, and then more salt and pepper to taste. Cover up. Turn off the heat, let it sit for about 2 minutes before we can serve. What makes this meal truly remarkable is its simplicity, with just a sprinkle of salt and pepper to enhance natural flavors. We let the quality of the ingredients speak for themselves. This allows the comforting essence of the vegetables, bacon, and ground meat to shine through, creating a dish that is both satisfying and light. For those who appreciate a little extra texture and touch of crispiness, you have the option to stir-fry the noodles for a bit longer. This extended cooking time, along with reducing the amount of noodle water, results in a slight crust forming around the noodles. This adds a delightful contrast to the softness of the ingredients and elevates the overall eating experience. There you have it! This light yet deeply satisfying dish showcases the beauty of simplicity, allowing each ingredient to shine. This meal is a true testament to the magic that can be created with the natural ingredients and a touch of culinary finesse. Thank you for joining me today. In the world of cooking, the possibilities are endless, and when East meets West, extraordinary flavors await. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!